Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're revisiting and if you're new here, welcome. What we're going to be talking about today is just what my pride possession plants are and what they look like and how I care for them. So let's just get started. So my first pride possession plant is my luxuriant. I'm scooting my chair back so you guys can get an idea of how it looks and how big she is. This is my luxuriant. I hope you guys can see that. But she's a beauty. And basically I give her bright indirect light and lots of humidity, and I never let her dry out. So in order to keep up with her watering, I put her in a self-watering pot. So there's a pot, this white pot has water in it, and then the plant is sitting in another pot. So I keep the water reservoir, try to keep it full, and I have a monitor to tell me if the plant needs more water right here. So again, this is one of my prized possession plants. She means a lot to me, and I would be sad if anything happened to her. That's my Anthurium luxurians. That's number one. We'll put her down. Here's my number two. I'll show you her beautiful foliage. She's got a brand new leaf that's not even hardened yet right there. Let's see if I can bring the light up so you can see. My lighting in my house is poor, you guys. I wanted you to see just how beautiful her leaves are. Okay, look at that. This is my Alocasia cuprea. And basically this plant has the same type of care that the luxuriant, it likes the same type of care. And I grew these from little bitty seeds. They're called corms. I have the mother plant downstairs. But it started out as these little bitty leaves you can see down here at the bottom. And some of them are kind of getting a little discolored because they're dying off. But as you can see, it has like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 2 more on the back leaves. And this plant is a beauty, you guys. She is just my number 2 pride possession. I'm naming them as 1 and 2, but they're not in any order. And look at that big leaf right there, you guys. I'm going to pin back so you can see. Look at my beauties. I love her. Okay, so that's plant number 2. I'm going to sit this down. And then we're going to go to plant number 3. This is my huge snake plant. I think this is I forget the name of it, a Loriente or something like that. But it is a snake plant that started out very small. Look how long it is. It was a baby, and I just grew her and grew and grew her, and I gave her to my daughter. And we got one leaf that's trying to die off, but we got some new babies coming too in the middle here. But this is my beautiful snake plant. Okay, so that's another prized possession that I have, and I have her in this unique pot that has a scripture on it, and the scripture says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart." Proverbs 3 and 5. Okay, so that is my snake plant. Now, the next plant is another beauty of mine. This is a Monstera constellation. Look at the beautiful discolorations and the variegations in the leaves. Each leaf detail is totally different from the other one. And this one and this one, they have fenestrations, which is the little slits in the leaves. Look at this leaf, you guys. It's a beauty. Let me stand back so you can see it. This is my beautiful Monstera constellation. I too have this one in a self-watering pot because this plant does not like to dry out. Okay? So, Thai constellation. And last but not the least is my Monstera, which is similar to the plant we just looked at, but it's kind of like a plain Monstera, and it's beautiful. This actually is a small part of a plant that I cut from, and I'm giving this away to a coworker. But this is called a Monstera deliciosa, and she's a beauty. And I got her in a self-watering pot too. This plant is okay with drying out, but trying to keep up with the watering schedule is hard. So I put her in a self-watering pot. Okay. So yeah, that's why we're here today. Charlotte's Foliage wanted to show you some plants that have a lot of meaning to her. And so that's why we're here today. And hopefully I'll have some more soon. But we wanted to start out with these few. And we'll get back to you and let you know more. Thanks again for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys enjoy the content. And I hope you come back. Bye now.